Question 1. Which principle ensures that everyone, including those in government, is accountable to the same laws? A. Popular sovereignty. B. Parliamentary privilege. C. The rule of law. D. Executive discretion. Answers is C. The rule of law. The rule of law is a fundamental Australian value, meaning that all people, organisations and governments are subject to and accountable under the law. Question 2. Who are the Indigenous people of the islands north of mainland Queensland, distinct from Aboriginal Australians? A. Maori people. B. Samoan Islanders. C. Strait Islanders. D. Papuan tribes. Answers is C. Strait Islanders. Strait Islanders are one of the two distinct Indigenous peoples of Australia, with a unique cultural heritage connected to their island homes in the Strait. Question 3. What is a key responsibility of Australian citizens aged 18 and over regarding federal, state and territory elections? A. To volunteer at polling stations. B. To become a political party member. C. To enroll and vote. D. To attend all political debates. Answers is C. To enroll and vote. In Australia, it is a civic duty and a legal responsibility for eligible citizens aged 18 and over to enroll to vote and cast their vote in elections. Question 4. Which symbol on the Australian national flag represents the Commonwealth of Australia's 6 states? And A. The Southern Cross. B. The Union Jack. C. The Commonwealth Star. D. The Eureka Star. Answers is C. The Commonwealth Star. The Commonwealth Star, also known as the Federation Star, is a star. 6 points represent the original 6 states, and the 7th point represents the... Question 5. On what specific date did the 6 Australian unite to form the Commonwealth of Australia? A. 26 January 1901. B. 1 January 1901. C. 9 May 1901. D. 25 April 1901. Answers is B. 1 January 1901. Federation occurred on 1 January 1901, when the 6 Australian formally united to become the Commonwealth of Australia, a new nation. Question 6. Who is the leader of the political party or coalition of parties that holds the majority in the House of A. The Speaker of the House, B. The Prime Minister, D. The Chief Justice? Answers is C. The Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the head of the Australian government, leading the party or coalition that commands the confidence of the House of. Question 7. Which Australian value means that people should not be treated unfairly based on their background, gender or religion? A. B. Freedom of speech. C. Equality of opportunity. D. Individualism. Answers is C. Equality of opportunity. Equality of opportunity is a key Australian value, ensuring that all people are treated fairly and have the chance to succeed, regardless of their background or beliefs. Question 8. In which year did the first fleet arrive in Sydney Cove, marking the beginning of European settlement in Australia? A. 1808. B. 1770. C. 1788. D. 1829. Answers is C. 1788. The first fleet, led by Captain Arthur Phillip, in Sydney Cove on 26 January 1788, establishing the first European settlement in Australia. Question 9. What significant national day commemorates all Australians who served and died in wars, conflicts and peacekeeping operations? A. Australia Day. B. Remembrance Day. C. Anzac Day. D. National Service Day. Answers is C. Anzac Day. Anzac Day, observed on 25 April, honours the bravery and sacrifice of Australian and New Zealand soldiers Anzacs in all conflicts, particularly Gallipoli. Question 10. What is the capital city of Queensland? A. Sydney, B. Perth, C. Brisbane, D. Adelaide. Answers is C. Brisbane. Brisbane is the state capital of Queensland, on the Brisbane River in the state. Question 11. What is a fundamental responsibility of all Australian citizens related to the legal system? A. To actively participate in protests. B. To lobby for new laws. C. To obey the laws of Australia. D. To only follow international laws. Answers is C. To obey the laws of Australia. A core responsibility of Australian citizenship is to obey the laws, which are essential for maintaining a safe, just, and orderly society. Question 12. What is the term for the complex system of beliefs, stories, and cultural practices central to Aboriginal spirituality? A. The bee, the corroboree. C. The dreaming. D. The walkabout. Answers is C. The dreaming. The dreaming or dreamtime describes the Aboriginal worldview, creation stories, ancestral beings, and the spiritual laws governing life and land, passed down through generations. Question 13. What is the title of Australia's national anthem? A. Waltzing Matilda. B. God Save the King. C. Advance Australia Fair. D. I Am Australian. Answers is C. Advance Australia Fair. Advance Australia Fair was proclaimed Australia's national anthem in 1984, replacing God Save the Queen, now God Save the King. Question 14. What is the supreme law under which Australia is governed, establishing the structure of government and powers? A. The Magna. B. The Bill of Rights. C. The Australian Constitution. D. The Federal Statutes. Answers is C. The Australian Constitution. The Australian Constitution established the Commonwealth of Australia and provides the framework for its governance, defining powers and of the three branches. Question 15. The discovery of gold in the led to a significant increase in which aspect of Australian society? A. Agricultural output. B. Industrial manufacturing. C. Migration and population. D. Indigenous land ownership. Answers is C. Migration and population. The Australian gold rushes of the caused a massive influx of migrants from around the world, dramatically increasing the population and contributing to multiculturalism. Question 16. Which Australian value allows people to express their opinions and beliefs without fear of punishment within legal limits? A. Respect. B. Compassion. C. Freedom of speech. D. Loyalty. Answers is C. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech is a fundamental democratic right in Australia, allowing individuals to express views, provided it does not incite hatred or violence or break other laws. Question 17. What is the capital city of Victoria? A. Hobart. B. Canberra. C. Melbourne. D. Sydney. Answers is C. Melbourne. Melbourne is the capital city of Victoria and a major cultural, economic and sporting hub in Australia. Question 18. Which level of government in Australia is primarily responsible for national defence, immigration and currency? A. Local government. B. State government. C. Federal government. D. Territory government. Answers is C. Federal government. The federal government, also known as the Commonwealth Government, holds responsibility for national issues such as defence, immigration and currency, as in the Constitution. Question 19. Australia is known for its diverse population, welcoming people from over 200. What is this diversity called? A. Assimilation. B. Integration. C. Multiculturalism. D. Globalization. Answers is C. Multiculturalism. Multiculturalism is a defining feature of modern Australia, embracing and celebrating the cultural diversity of its people, who come from all corners of the globe. Question 20. What are the official national colours of Australia, often seen in sporting teams? A. Red and white. B. Blue and gold. C. Green and gold. D. Black and yellow. Answers is C. Green and gold. Green and gold are Australia's national colours, symbolising the golden wattle, our national floral emblem, and are widely used to represent the nation. Question 21. What important right is granted exclusively to Australian citizens, allowing them to participate in choosing their representatives? A. The right to travel overseas. B. The right to hold a passport. C. The right to vote in federal elections. D. The right to own property. Answers is C. The right to vote in federal elections. Only Australian citizens aged 18 and over have the right to vote in federal, state and territory elections, a key democratic right and responsibility. Question 22. Which British explorer extensively charted the eastern coast of Australia in 1770 and claimed it for Britain? A. William. B. Flinders. C. Captain James Cook. D. Abel. Answers is C. Captain James Cook. Captain James Cook extensively mapped the eastern coast of Australia in 1770 aboard Endeavour, naming it New South Wales and claiming it for the British Crown. Question 23. Who is the representative of the King in Australia, performing constitutional and ceremonial on advice of the government? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Speaker of Parliament. C. D. The Chief Justice. Answers is C. There is the King's representative in Australia, performing constitutional and ceremonial on the advice of the Prime Minister and ministers. Question 24. What is the capital city of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Brisbane. Answers is C. Canberra. Canberra, in the Australian Capital Territory Act, is the national capital of Australia and the seat of its federal government and Parliament House.